HKS power. Twin power. You need more power, baby. More power, baby. Alright, so in this video we're going to be installing the HKS Twin Power, which will help improve the RX7's ignition system. I've already kind of started on this. I'm almost done. It's really simple, especially if you get the wiring harness that I think might come with it, or you might have to buy it separately. But the seller I bought it from, I believe his name's Vlad. He has a ton of RX7 parts. I bought a few things off of him. Super cool guy, reliable seller. Hit him up for FDRX7 parts. I might post his contact below if that's okay. But anyway, so this one came with the RX7 specific harness, which made it super easy. This is the factory harness that I just took off. So they're color coded, as you can see, right? You got the white, the black, and the blue, and I've already kind of plugged in some of the plugs, but it goes here. The white one goes there, the black one goes there, and the blue one, if you can see it, goes in the far end. And then I had to take this the coil wire off the plug just to get access to that a little bit easier. And then there's also on the factory harness this little 8mm nut that holds the ground wire in right here. So make sure you take that off and remember to put the nut back on before you plug in the other wires. It's 8mm. It looks like a 10, but it's 8. It's a little tight space, but you can get to it with a small wrench. Again, you know, be careful when you take all this stuff off, because there's a lot of sensors, wires, and stuff that's just very brittle, especially if it's original. In this car, it is. But on a scale of 0 to 10, the mod bugs difficulty level, I would have to say it's maybe like a 2, maybe 2.5, only because it's so easy to, you know, see where everything goes. And oh, let me show you. So this one thing, so the color coded plug is cool, and then it's connected to this 4-pin plug at the end that connects to the stock wiring harness, which is down here. Okay, so this is actually this was kind of fastened on the harness down there with a little clip, but I took it off so you can kind of unplug it a little bit easier. So the HKS harness also comes with these color coded wires, goes back in the same place, and also comes with this, there it is, 4-pin plug that plugs back into the stock harness. So I'm holding this iPad one-handed, and I'm a weak, fragile guy, so it's getting a little heavy, trying to keep it so it's not too shaky. But I'm gonna plug a couple of these in just for you guys, and I'm gonna cut and oh yes, oh man, don't you guys like that sound when it just clips on? It just sounds so nice. I love that sound. So let's see how I'm gonna do this. Okay, so I can just clip this wire. Okay. Ooh, that sounds so good. Love that nice snappy clean click sound. Okay, so I'm gonna put this down and pretty much done. And remember, there's a ground wire for the HKS harness, and I think that should be it. Super easy, and I think it's a good upgrade. We'll see after I get the car back up, which I got a long way to go. But as soon as I get the car back up, hopefully it'll help the hot start issues. I had some hot start issues. I'm hoping it's not the coolant seal, but this helps the ignition fire up a little bit better spark. So hopefully it makes the car run better and starts more consistent. All right, until next time, Modbug signing off. Good night. Bye.